Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to update your Microsoft Office. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So Microsoft Office is basically a bundle of all your Microsoft applications like your Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. So to update it, you need to simply tap on your App Store or your Play Store and type in Microsoft Office. However, instead of Microsoft Office, you can find an app called Microsoft 365, which is another name for Microsoft Office. So instead of the Get button, you can find an Update button once you have already installed your Microsoft 365 or your Microsoft Office. So all you need to do is simply tap on that Update button, and once you tap on it, you will need to verify yourself, like getting in signed in or typing in your password and stuff for extra security. And after you are done with it, you will be able to update your Microsoft Office. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.